this is uncommon and unusual na question na tinatanong ng interviewer sa interviewee. Yes, the question was asked of me is that what are your pet peeves? Ayan, based sa Google, no? The definition of the pet peeves is something that a particular person finds especially annoying. Ayan. Ako kasi last time, hindi ako aware na ganun pala yung ibig sabihin and I forgot to ask question sa interviewer. Ayun, sinagot ko siya. Natatawa ako kasi hindi ako aware nun. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng pet peeves. Di ba? Kaya pala hindi ako nakuha. Charot. Actually, you can ask the HR or the interviewer para at least aware din sila